Hey guys, so today is the day that I go and get my teeth whitened. I also scheduled a photo shoot for this weekend, so I'm kind of excited about that. It's been a little minute since I've done more of a professional photo shoot, but your girl's got to go to UPS to return this thing. I buy a lot of stuff, realize I don't need it, and then return it. I'd rather have it and not need it and then know that I can return it and get my money back type thing. But yeah, so today's, oh snap, I have left the garage door open. God dang it. Today's gonna be a pretty cool day. I do need to stop by the beauty supply store so I can pick up some hair because I want to try the jumbo braid because I want to do that, ouch, for the photo shoot. Sorry y'all, I can't multitask. Yeah, I want to do a jumbo braid for the photo shoot. And then this weekend, not only is it my cousin's graduation party, but it's also my little sister's birthday. Oh, y'all, look at these. These turned out so nice. It's also my little sister's birthday. Oh, no, maybe I should redo this. On Sunday. And then my birthday is not this Sunday, but next Sunday. So I have a really jam-packed week. I really do love the beginning of the year, not just because it's the new year and I can look forward to new things, but because it's my freaking birthday. It's my birthday month. I celebrate for a whole 30 days. Call me vain if you want to, but children can die within 30 days, and I made it. So that's a blessing. So I celebrate for 30 days, okay? So my real birthday trip will be in New Orleans. We're doing a real girls trip type thing. So I will definitely be doing a vlog for that one because y'all know we about to cut up. But let me go. I'm out of breath. To UPS to return this stuff. And then I'm going to head to the mall and give me some Chipotle. I'm about to go get my teeth whitened. See how this goes.
Just bite down like that. Oh.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look! My teeth are like easily lighter. My gums are a little sensitive though, but I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Alright y'all, I had to come get in my car because it's freezing, y'all. Houston ain't been this cold since 2008. Alright, Donald Trump want to get in the office and all of a sudden, oh I can't even, but it want to get cold. But y'all, like, excuse this tooth back here, I really need braces, y'all, like really bad. But dang, oh, your girl's teeth is just, look at this, no filter, no filter. OMG, I am loving it. But there are so many rules. Like I have to brush my teeth with this little toothbrush. Let me find it. So I gotta brush my teeth with this soft baby hair type toothbrush for 2 days. I can't eat anything that stains like red or brown for 2 days, really like 3. And then they give you this to keep because you have to hold on to it and clean it and then bring it back for a $60 touch up. And then if you don't bring this back, then they'll charge you like another $14 because you're supposed to hold on to these because they're not a dentist office, so they don't do sterilization in office. It's a little weird. But if you do a referral on Groupon, then you get an extra 10 minutes, which is what I did. And they also give you a lot of rewards. So originally I paid about a good $90, I want to say, which is about the average price, which is $99. So I went, instead of doing an 11%, I did a 22%, which is a lot stronger, which is why my teeth went from an 18 to a 10. really not good to snap and drive, you all. But a couple of things that I really loved about this place is that they check on you every 10 minutes, you know, to reapply vitamin E oil to your lips and to your gums so you don't get super sensitive. Mine did. Like, the light is a little hot, so my gums are really sore, but they can give you some Tylenol afterwards just to help your mouth if you truly need it. So I think that's really helpful. But they are located inside the Galleria, right above Neiman's. So if you go like you're going towards Victoria's Secret and just walk all the way down, it's right across the way from the store Press that Rashida is about to open. And I saw her husband, ex-husband, whatever he's, Kurt, and their 2 boys. And I looked up, and I had already put my phone down from recording. I was like, ah! And he was like, hey, how you doing? I was like, I'm doing good, you know what I'm saying? I was like, OMG, okay. So they might be recording okay, guys, sorry the video cut off, but I meant to say that they might be shooting Love and Hip Hop in Houston, but it does take a full 2 days for the teeth to oxidize, so it's 2 days. And I know it looks, excuse this tooth, I need braces, y'all, a little bit duller, I guess, but it also depends on the lighting. But I know personally, because I've been living with my teeth for a long time, that my teeth were truly dingy. And as you're gonna see in pictures, like just standing right next to my mom, like my teeth are so dingy, like ugh. And I was so insecure about it. So I said this year, 2018, I'm gonna do everything that I wanted to do. Like getting my teeth cleaned or whitened really was one of them. So now I'm not so insecure. Oh, P.S. you guys, forgot to add this little note, but I'm getting ready to go. Sorry, I had to help my mom. But I do have to go back in like 3 to 4 months to get the touch up to bring it up lighter to where I wanted it, because they only allow you to do 30 minutes. I'm pretty sure if you could go way longer than that, then you can get extremely white, but it's not good for your gums. But you do have to make sure you bring everything back that they originally gave you, and then it is about $60. I'll put all the correct information down below, but you can wait about 3 to 4 months until you go back. And I'll probably be going back sometime around March or April to get them finally lightened again. But I was super happy with them. And ask me any questions below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I purchased it for $36 originally off of Groupon, and ended up paying $74 more to go from the 11% to the 22%, and that allowed me to go from a number 18 to a number 12. So I want to go from a 12 to about an 8 the next time I get my teeth whitened. So I'm super excited. I really loved it. I don't know if the deal is going to be on Groupon anymore, but you could, it's my first time using Groupon too, but if you have any questions about how I use that, then also let me know below, because I don't want to bore you all with that. But originally it's going to cost about $99 if you just want to get the 11% for the regular 30 minutes without the Groupon voucher, and it's about $160 for the 22%. So I definitely saved a lot of money going with the Groupon option and then just getting an upgrade. But I'll definitely link them down below and you know, hook you up however I can. So hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. Now I'm done.